Welcome to StreamLine, Yakima's most advanced roof rack system ever. The StreamLine systems combine advanced aerodynamics and clean lines with exceptional strength and versatility that will suit whatever your cargo or lifestyle requires. This video will show you how to install your Yakima BaseLine legs. This installation also requires your Jetstream FX bars and base clip kits for your vehicle. You'll require internet access and a phone with QR reading capabilities to complete this installation. If you don't have a printed copy of your instructions, you can download a pre-filled PDF on our website, yakimaglobal.com. This system is rated to 75 kilograms. Take note of the weight of this system and the accessories and gear you intend to carry. Look up your vehicle's manufacturer specifications for the max roof load capacity of your vehicle. The lowest load rating applies. First, let's install your lock cores to help keep your new BaseLine FX system secure. Remove your BaseLine FX legs from the packaging. Remove each protective cover from your legs by squeezing the sides and pulling the covers off. Check if the lock receivers may have moved during transit. If the lock receiver indents are in the upright position, you're good to go. If any have rotated to the left, you'll need to grab the supplied torque tool to help move the lock receiver indent back into the upright position. Insert the supplied keys into your lock cores and insert your lock cores into the lock receivers in the legs. While holding the inserted lock cores in place, remove the keys. You've now installed your lock cores. Take note of the unlocked and locked positions. Insert the supplied torque tool into the pitch screw on the bottom of the legs and loosen it for 4 or 5 full turns. Now insert the torque tool into the toe bolt on the bottom of the legs and loosen it 1 full turn. Insert the crossbars into the legs . And install the retaining screws. Fully tighten using the torque tool. When it's engaged, it will make 3 clicks like a fuel cap. Repeat for all legs. Now it's time to look up your measurements and settings used to complete the installation onto your vehicle. If you've downloaded a copy of the BaseLine FX instructions from our website, this information will be pre-filled on the PDF. Otherwise, scan the QR code or visit our website yakimaglobal.com. Look up your vehicle, then choose your BaseLine FX fit from the list. Record your crossbar sizes, measurements, settings, clip and pad details displayed on the fit detail page into the boxes on your instructions. Starting with the front crossbar, fit the 2 pads from your front base clip kit onto each of the legs, taking note of the correct orientation. Next, set your legs on the front crossbar to the correct M1 measurement for your vehicle. Use the supplied tape measure to set the M1 distance and centre the legs on the bar. Now adjust the pitch angle of the front crossbar on the leg to the correct P1 setting for your vehicle. Make sure the bar arrow points away from the installer. Fully tighten the pitch screw with the torque tool, making sure to keep the correct P1 setting and M1 measurement. You should hear 3 clicks like a fuel cap. Repeat for the other leg. Now adjust the toe angle of the front legs to the correct T1 setting for your vehicle. Fully tighten the toe bolts with the torque tool, making sure to keep the correct T1 setting. You should hear 3 clicks like a fuel cap. Apply the front crossbar sticker to the underside of the front crossbar. Now repeat the steps we've completed to the rear crossbar and use the pads from your rear base clip kit. Set the M3, P2, T2 and apply the rear crossbar sticker. Okay, now it's time to get your roof racks on your car. First, make sure you know which bar is for the front and which is for the rear, and that they're orientated the correct way. Refer to the label on the top of the bars. It helps to have a friend to help you position the bars on your car. Place the front crossbar on your roof and measure out the M2 dimensions for the correct spacing. Keep the legs centered left to right on the roof and open the inner locking covers. Using the torque tool, loosen the drive bolt until the clip nut lowers all the way down the length of the bolt. Repeat for the other side. Using the torque tool, loosen the swing bolt and raise the swing cage. Repeat for the other side. Slide the base clips into place. You'll hear a click once the clip is correctly inserted. Give the clip a slight tug to make sure they're fully engaged. Tighten the swing bolt until the clip just touches the car. Not too tight, just snug. Repeat the steps for the other side. Now, partially tighten the drive bolt until the bend on the clip moves up and just touches the car in the upward direction. Not too tight, just snug. Repeat for the other side. Now you can completely tighten the swing bolt with the torque tool until it clicks at least 3 times. Repeat for the other side. Then tighten the drive bolts completely, ensuring the shaft of the torque tool is held straight and does not bend. Again, with at least 3 clicks on both sides. Now place the rear crossbar on the car and measure out the M4 dimension to space it correctly from the front crossbar. Remember to keep the legs centered left to right on the roof and then open the inner locking covers. Now repeat the same steps as before to insert and secure the rear clips to the rear bar. Now close all the inner locking covers and make sure your new BaseLine FX system has been securely installed on your car. The car should rock, the rack should not. Check all the swing bolts are at full torque one more time. Lock each leg using the keys provided and record your key number in your instructions for future reference. Replace all the protective covers. Now your racks are installed securely, get out, enjoy the adventures, and take it easy.